Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be tackling the bathroom. There's just some things that are way overdue to be cleaned in here. So if you're new here, welcome. I do a lot of things on this channel such as crafts, unboxing, reviews, brand ambassador videos, cleaning, crafts, teacher vlogs, and other things such as cooking and baking. So if you're new here, I welcome you to my channel. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for joining me again today. Today's video, I really just wanted to tackle the bathroom. There are things that needed to be done, such as cleaning the shower tile, such as cleaning out the tub, doing a real good deep cleaning of that. And then I also wanted to clean out the bathroom closet. So here are just some items that I'm using for the bathroom cleaning today. We have Dawn Power Wash, Scrub Free, Restroom Cleaner, Scentivia, and then we also have another one. I really wanted to spray down this tile with all of these chemicals. So yes, I did put a mask on just because I don't want all of the chemicals to get into my throat and, have me coughing. But this is just something that I do on the normal when I do clean the bathroom. So I wanted to spray it down really, really good with a bunch of different things just because certain ones work, certain ones don't work. But at the end of the day, I really wanted to just give it a good soak. The Scrub Free and the Kaboom work so well on the pieces in between the tiles that definitely needed my attention for some scrubbing. I end up using a toothbrush because I don't have the bigger brush to scrub this with. So I wish I would have made it easier on myself and had a brush, but I didn't. So as far as cleaning supplies, I like to keep this beach pail bucket in the bathroom, and it has like 2 toothbrushes in it, and it has a cleaning scrub in it along with a big cup that I can use. This is just my little cleaning caddy that I keep hidden behind the toilet just so like the kids don't play with it and stuff like that, but it also comes in handy when I just need to clean the shower for things like this. I can honestly say I have not used toilet bowl cleaner in the actual toilet with a scrub brush since I have found this product. This is one of my favorite things to use now because I can just scrub, dub, and throw it and toss it in the trash. These toilet wands make it so easy for you just to use the leverage to pop off the end piece into the trash, because you've already used it, and you can easily put it right back into its holder and use it again for next time. I tend to clean inside of the toilet, and then I will clean the outside, and then I'll clean behind the toilet because it is still considered toilet bowl cleaner. So I can just easily pop it into the trash can and go on about my day. I then tend to wipe it down because the kids will come in behind me and then want to use the bathroom. But I am using the 9 Elements bathroom cleaner just to go ahead and wipe everything down. I really don't like the smell of the 9 Elements. That's just my opinion. I don't know if you guys have tried it before. Comment down below if you have. If you haven't, I honestly would say it's not for people who are not interested in fruity lemon cleaning supplies. So next thing that needed to be tackled is my over-the-counter or over-the-toilet counter. This just keeps everything all on here, and I can honestly say that the kids just let it get any kind of way after a certain amount of time. So I needed to just take everything off, clean it, and then I will put things back on there. So I'm using Miss Myers to go ahead and just wipe it down because the 9 Elements was just not working in my favor. I definitely didn't like it. So I'm using this basket right here to get all of my stuff organized. So I have my hair, skin, and nail vitamins, my women's vitamins, and I just want to get everything out of there that's mine into this little basket that I got at Dollar General. So I want to put necessities in there that I might need after the shower. That way I can just pull the basket down after the shower and use it, and just keep really important things inside of the cabinet up top. So that's just what I'm doing, taking all of Charles' stuff out, putting it into a basket. He can organize it later when he's home. All right, so I did go ahead and start putting things back little by little. The kids still have their shelves, but I just wanted it to be a little more organized. So one thing that I really came in this bathroom to do today is tackle this closet. At the end of the day, I have a bunch of couponing stuff at the bottom of my closet in the bathroom. So I need to take all of this stuff out, see what's really going to be used now, and then things that are not going to be used now, they need to just go back in but be neatly organized. Also, I have 50,000 hair products, 50,000 body wash, lotions, shampoos, conditioners, you name it. It needs to all come out. I'm going to put everything into boxes, and then I will sit in the hallway and go ahead and just sort things out, look through things thoroughly. If it doesn't need to be kept, it needs to go in the trash, or I need to figure out where it needs to go. Now, y'all know I do not need that many body wash, lotion, shampoo, conditioner, or anything else. I tend to fall into the trap of Bath and Body Works sales, and then I end up having so many that sometimes I forget about certain ones that I do have. But I recently said to myself that the ones that I'm low on, I'm going to put to the side and not even put into my bathroom closet. I will use those to make some scrubs with, and then either use them here in my household or try to sell them as they are made. Also, I have a bunch of towels, I have a bunch of washcloths, and then I need to go ahead and, like I said, just get everything out of there so that it can look for a brand new start. All right, so the only thing that will be left here in the closet to kind of maneuver and deal with is Charles's stuff. As I take up 2 to 3 shelves, the kids take up one, which is which is really funny. And Charles gets like a half a shelf because he doesn't really have much and he doesn't like to stock up on stuff like I do. So yes, I have a mannequin doll. I like to practice braiding hair. I also would love one day to go back to my dream of wanting to do cosmetology school, but in all reality, I just do it at home in the comforts of my own home, and I do it on my own hair. I've been doing it since I was in 7th grade, and it's been so much fun creating different colors, creating different looks for myself, and I just enjoy it. So what I want to do is, while I'm sitting here, fold up the towels the best way I can just because we have so many, and then I kind of will maneuver from there with where I really want to put all the towels and where I really want to keep everything at. So I just want to go ahead and put away the couponing stuff that I have here in my house. As you guys previously know, in some of my other couponing videos, I do keep all of my coupon stuff over at my grandmother's house just because she has more room. I keep all of the laundry detergent down here in the bottom of my bathroom closet just because I have not taken it over yet. But before I do, I might as well go ahead and get it straightened up and looking nice at the bottom of my bathroom closet. So I'm deciding to go ahead and clean my tub as I need a break from the closet for a moment. I did decide to use Comet and some Fabuloso lemon scented to clean the tub out just because I've already went ahead and cleaned the shower tile. I do want to go ahead and clean the bottom of the tub just because I might forget. So it's just time to go ahead and get all of the bubbles and suds out of my tub, as well as going ahead to put everything back. Lately, I've been using this Olay, like strawberry. I can't even remember what the flavor is, but it's been smelling so good. So I've been using that lately, and I have to put his Old Spice back. I also felt the need to just go ahead and clean this bathroom today as it was well needed. And I got to get rid of a lot of things that I did not need, was not using, and that someone else could put to good use. So therefore, thanks guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this cleaning motivation for your bathroom and for your bathroom closets as well. And I hope that it motivates you to get up and go and clean up yours. So here's just the full walkthrough. I have a couple of things to do laundry wise at the end, so I'll go ahead and tackle that next. But meanwhile, thanks guys once again so much for watching. I hope you have a good one.